After this we have some comparison operators. So let's first of all see what all comparison operators do we have here. So guys, we just first of all learned about one thing, that is find and find one, right? These two commands. After this we actually have comparison operators. So we actually have some kinds of comparison operator. First is actually equal to, okay, equal to. Then we have not equal to, okay, so we actually have not equal to, okay, and then we have greater than or equal to. Then similarly we have greater than, similarly we have lesser than, similarly we have lesser than or equal to. Then we have in, that is actually if you have some kind of data, you would be just saying that if anything exists then it would be returned. And similarly not in, okay, similarly we have not in, okay. So we are actually going to have these operations. Actually in a better way we can simply write dollar, okay. I would just write it like this, okay, that would be better. So dollar equal to, so equal to, and then we have dollar neq, that is not equal to. Then we have dollar less than equal to. So we can simply say, okay, actually first of all let's go with greater than, okay, greater than, that is gt equal to. Then we have suppose greater than, then we also have less than, okay, so lt, and then we have lt equal to. Then we have in, that is if you have some array at least one field must exist, we'll see that. Then we have not in, okay, not in, that's it. So these are the actual fields. So instead of these we actually have names like this. So you would often face these comparison operators and they would actually help you a lot to get your results easily. For example, I want to get all the users whose age is 20. So I would easily write eq equals 20. So it would give me all the users whose age is 20. Suppose I want to get all the users whose age is not 20, that means 19, 18, whatever it is, but not 20. So I would get it like this. Suppose I want to get all the users whose age is greater than or equal to 20, that means 20, 21, 22, 23. So I would simply write it like this. If I want to get all the users whose age is greater than 20, that means 21, 22, 23. I want to get all the users whose age is less than 20, that means 19, 18, 70. Okay, so suppose I want to get all the users whose age is less than or equal to 20, that means 20, 19, 18, 17, right? Now similarly, if I want to get all the users whose whose age is either 20 or 21 or 22, so I would get all the users whose age is 20, 21, 22. I want to get all the users whose age is not 21, 22 or 20, right? So I would simply use the NIN. That means I would get age of either 19, 18, 17, or I would get age of either 23, 24, 25, like that, okay. But I won't get the users whose age is 20, 21, 22 in not in case. In case, I would get all the users whose age is either 20, either 21, either 22, right? So I hope you understood first of all basic overview of comparison operators. Now we are actually going to use those, okay. So let's create a scenario here. I'm just going to clear this. And it's actually CLS. And now suppose I want to create a collection. So it's simply a db dot create collection. In this database, I'm going to create a collection. Collection name is suppose products. So products, and let's close this. And you can see I've created a collection. Again, I would just clear this. Now it's simply write db dot products. Right, now I'm just going to suppose add something, okay. So I would simply say insert, okay. Suppose I would say insert, and inside this, guys, I would like to insert something like product name. So product name would be something, for example, name is actually P1, right? And then we have a price of a product. So just say suppose the price of a product is I would just give it as a number. So I would just say suppose the price is 100. Okay, suppose the price is 100. So I would like to add this, okay. So you can see that it's actually oh, I'm sorry, it's actually insert one. Okay, previously we had insert operation, but instead of this nowadays we have insert one. Okay, so yeah, we have insert one, and I'm just trying to insert this. Similarly, I'm just trying to add another product whose price is suppose 99. Okay, so similarly I would just add another product whose price is suppose 98. This is P3. Oh, sorry. So whose price is 98, and close this. So you can see it's added. Suppose I would add another product whose price is 100, which is P4. Okay, so you can see I've added this. Suppose I want to add another product whose price is 101. Okay, this is actually P5. Okay, similarly I would like to add one more product whose price is suppose 105. Okay, so actually I would just make it 102. So I would just say that product name is P6. Okay, so you can see I've added this. So now if I just write the find command, so it would give me all the products which I have added just now. So find and brackets, so you can see that these are all the products which I just now created. What I would say is I want to get all the products whose price is equal to 100, whose price is equal to 100. What I can actually say is, in this case I would use the equal to operator. Okay, I would use the equal to operator. So you would just say find operation. Inside find operation, that means you want to read the data, so you would be using the find operation, right? So find, and then inside this, guys, I would simply say I would like to get the price. Okay, I would like to get the price. So inside double inverted brackets, okay, inside the double brackets you would be just writing price, and now here you would be writing your operation. So I would just say its price must be equal to, so dollar equal to, okay, eq. Okay, it's my price must be equal to what? Its price must be equal to suppose 100. I would get all the products whose price is equal to 100, like this. Okay, now suppose I want to get all the products whose price is not equal to 100. Okay, not equal to 100. So actually it's giving me NEQ. It's actually NE, it's not NEQ, I'm sorry. So NE would give me products, all the products whose price is not equal to 100. So you can see I'm getting all the products whose price is not equal to 100, right? So now suppose I want to get something else, like for example I want to get all the products whose price is greater than 100. So you can see whose price is greater than 100, greater than equal to 100, that means it would also include 100 also. Okay, similarly we have LT, that means less than 100. So you can see I'm getting all the products whose price is less than 100. Now similarly if I want to get the products including 100, so you can see I'm getting all the products less than and equal to 100. Okay, less than or equal to 100. So you can see that less than equal to is there. Now suppose if you have one operation which is actually in operation. Okay, in operation simply says if you provide an array, if you provide an array here, like for example either price can be 100 or price can be 101, that means it would give me product whose price is either 100 or 101. Okay, so now if I hit this, so actually the syntax is I think a bit wrong. Okay, actually you have to try one more thing. So you can see it would give me all the products whose price is either 100 or 101. Okay, so that means the range is provided. In this range the price is there, that means you would get the data, right? Now similarly if I just say I want to get the all the products whose price is neither 100 nor 101. Okay, so it's actually like suppose you can add one more thing, like price can't be 100, price can't be 101, price can't be 102, except all the products would be shown. Okay, so if I hit this, you can see all the products except 100, 101, 102 would be shown. So you can see I'm able to see 99, 98. Okay, these are the products whose price is not 100, not 101, not 102, right? So that's how actually these comparison operators really work. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood this. These were the comparison operators and you would be always using them for different operations, right? So now after this we have one more thing, that is we have learned about the comparison operators, right? So now after this we have one more kind of operation in the read part. So I am telling you read is very big and you'd be using different read operations, right?